if you're using more than one Samsung device and you're using the same Samsung account on all of them, you can now use some connected features. So go in settings, go in connected devices, and here you will see this feature, continue apps on other devices. So go in here, turn it on, and once you turn it on, you can then use Samsung Internet and Samsung Notes. So if you are using any specific tab on your Samsung Internet, any specific web page, you can continue that same web page on the other Samsung device when you open it up. So pick up where you left off on other devices, sign into your Samsung account, just tap the icon that appears on the recent screen on your other devices. So it's a very seamless experience if you want to do it. You can also copy text, images and more on this phone and paste them on other devices. So you can copy text, images and more on this phone, and just when you start other devices, you can just right away paste it on those devices. But the condition is you have to be logged in with your Samsung account. Now here are some other conditions that it tells you about. Both devices need to have this feature and Bluetooth turned on. The devices also need to be connected to the same Wi-Fi network.